Taking a screenshot on a Mac is easy, and I'll show you how. Hi everyone, I'm the Web Guru and I do tutorials on video, photography, and audio, and here's like a quick little tip that I use all the time. So here I am in Photoshop and I'd like to take a picture of my entire screen. So all I have to do is Command-Shift-3. And now if I go back to my Finder program, and if I go to my desktop, I can see the screenshot is right here. It's saved as a file on my computer, which I can share or open up in another program. So that is the quickest, easiest way to do it. Now let me show you a slight variation on that. If I do Command-Shift-4, now I can drag with my mouse and create a selection on the screen. And this will also get saved to the desktop as a file. So there it is. Now for most people, that's all you really need to know. But let me show you some variations that I use all the time. So for example, I'm going to go to one of my websites and I'd like to share this data with a client. So if I do Command-Shift-Control-3, this will take a screenshot of the entire screen and save it to the clipboard. So that means that there will be no file on the desktop, but I can now paste the screenshot immediately into another program. So here is a Word document, and if I go Command-V, there's my screenshot. I can go into an email, and if I go Command-V to paste it, there is the screenshot. Now the only thing I don't like is that there's all this other stuff that I don't need. So I'm going to delete that. I'm going to delete this from the Word doc. And then I'll show you actually my favorite way of taking a screenshot and the one that I use most commonly. And that is Command-Shift-Control-4. Now I can take a screenshot of the selection. It gets saved to my clipboard. And now I can paste it immediately into a document. I can even resize it. I can go into my email. I can paste it, and then I can quickly share it with a client immediately. I can go into Photoshop or a Google Doc and I can paste it. So for me, this is the fastest way to do something with a screenshot. But there's many ways to do it. You can try all of them and see which one you like the best. Here's a quick little summary. Command-Shift-3, Command-Shift-4, Command-Shift-Control-3, and Command-Shift-Control-4. So hopefully that was helpful to you. Be sure to leave a comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.